Hello, this is Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I am here on the Not Too Shabby channel today for day 2 of the sneak peeks of the August box of the month. The August box of the month is called What's Cooking? And we have a fabulous theme for you, gorgeous products for you today. I am going to share with you and give you a sneak peek of the Bake Me Happy stamp set and the coordinating die set. I will be using both of them, and I'm going to color up a few images and create a very quick card. What I am going to use is I'm going to use one sheet of paper from the July box of the month from the It's Apple Season paper pad. I'm going to use this red plaid paper for my focal panel. And then I am going to use this apple quilt stencil from last month that was released last month to make my card panel. So let's get started, and I am going to cut a card base because I don't have one cut. Oh. Sorry about that. We will just get one cut really quick. And get it scored. I cut it at 4 1/4, and I am going to score it at 5 1/2, and it will be a top folding card. And we are going to stencil the entire background, or the entire front of the card, I should say. So I am going to put my stencil right here, and I am going to tape my stencil down with some washi tape. Normally I would get out some other products, but my it is buried and I can't get to it right now. And my work surface right here is vinyl anyhow, so it'll wipe right up when if I get any ink on it. Okay, so let me Okay, so let me get my ink supplies. Okay, I am going to use Distress Oxides. I'm going to use Kitsch Flamingo. I'm going to do an ombre look, so I'm going to push those up kind of out of the way. So I'm going to use Kitsch Flamingo. So that's my lightest color. Okay, then with my same pink blending brush, I'm going to use Picked Raspberry. That's my medium color. Oh, I forgot to get that. I'll have to go back to my Kitsch Flamingo because I forgot to get that up in the corner. Okay, and now I am going to move over to my red blending brush And I'm going to do candied apple. And do the bottom. Okay. Now I want to, let me get a paper towel and get some of the ink off of my brush. Off of my pink brush. And then I'm doing the Kitsch Flamingo to catch that apple right up there in the top right corner that I didn't catch. There we go. Alrighty. Now here's the big reveal. This is the most exciting part. Ah, it looks pretty good. I like it. And then I am going to play some music, get my images stamped out, and play some music to while I color. So I'll catch you back when I get ready to put the card together. Okay, so here is my color palette for my Copic markers, for my Copic coloring. And I have a very specific reason I'm using this color palette. My mixing bowl is green. If I don't use my KitchenAid, or I don't use my batter bowl and I just use a bowl, it's green. My rolling pin that was my mother's is yellow, and it has some red stripes on it. So I'm going to try to make a stripe on it. I might just color the handles red. And then my measuring spoons, I'm modeling after my mother's measuring spoons, and they were great. So that is my color palette. So I'm going to start off with the bowl. Oh, and I grabbed the wrong colors to start off with the bowl. I'm going to start off with the bowl, and it is green. And I am using YG06 and YG05. So I'm going to start off with the darkest color and color the stripes on the top and the bottom. I'm going to color the back part just plain YG06. And then YG05, I'm going to take and blend and color those. And then I'm just going to color my bowl just YG05. But I'm going to color from both sides because that makes it a little bit rounded. Okay, so I did say I was going to play some music. So I'm going to play some music and finish up the coloring, and then I will catch you back when I'm done. Okay, I am ready to put my card together, and I've got my little layout here, and so I'm going to put it together and just chat with you for a few minutes. So I'm hoping this is gonna work. Why isn't it working? Because I've got it upside down. So the box of the month reveals on Tuesday on the 1st, and if you get on the wait list, I will have the wait list in the description box down below. If you get on the wait list this month, and then you'll get an email when the cart's open, and then if you subscribe by August the 2nd at midnight, there is going to be an early bird bonus, and it's pretty awesome. And Jamie didn't want the subscribers to miss out, so the subscribers will also get the early bird bonus. Oh, I guess that one needs to go off the edge as well. And so you're not going to want to miss that. And that early bird bonus will be valid on the box of the month and the junior box of the month, on those 2 subscriptions. So if you want to get in on that, then you can. I will tell you, the upcoming kits, you're going to want to subscribe. Of course, who wouldn't want to subscribe and save 18% every month? But you're going to want to subscribe because there are some awesome kits coming out. Hint, hint. Since I designed them, I know what's coming out, so, or I designed part of it. I don't design all of it. But I am thankful for the job and for what I do design, because I absolutely love it. Okay, I am going to need some liquid glue for this because this one is very tiny. So here's some liquid glue for my Bake Someone Happy. So I used that from the stamp set, and then I used those 3 images. And then I will have all of the products linked down below to what I used. And I'm going to put some, because every card needs some sparkle. I'm going to put some pink, this calls for confetti, on it. But I'm not so sure where to put these. I usually don't struggle with that. Let's put one right there. And let's put one down there. We'll just do 3. So we're going to put the tiniest one down there. Well, actually, that wasn't the tiniest one. The 2 medium ones we'll put, and then the big one up there. So there we have it. Bake Someone Happy. Using the, what did I say that stamp set was called? Bake Me Happy. And that is the sneak peek for day 2. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. And Jamie will be live tomorrow with another sneak peek. So stay tuned and don't miss it.